I don't do this. You see that?
There's too much time.
I'm from here. Bang!
And the close quarter one?
This is when he grabs me here. So now it's too tight. I cannot come in. So I have to do something here first.
Oh, God.
That's it.
And it's just boom.
Yes. Okay. Or if he wants to come for a headlock. Whew.
Okay.
That's why I show again. The mistake a lot of Wing Chun people do. Okay? Look at this arm. That's a big mistake.
Winding it too much.
From here,
You just drop.
it's this. I just dropped, exactly. But people will tell now, yeah, but where does the power come from? The power comes from dropping the elbow, lifting slightly up, and this elbow pulls back as hard as you can.
So it's a chamber to...
Yes, do it. The bongso, and boom, the bongso arm does it. Yes, and the other arm chambers back as hard as you can. Now you see where the power comes from.
Rotational power.
Yes, and this is here. I do this, boom, okay? So I open him up here, and this. This is this.
Sure.
Was I able to answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same thing, maybe you have an engagement here, both of us, okay? So from here, I can push him this way a little bit. Because I'm not coming this way. Or I'm not coming. This is, okay?
Yeah, it just creeps right in there. The elbow has to drop. Any other way, if you looped it around, if you did a big one, bam, it's already coming at you.
Yes.
You had no time.
Okay. So that's why from here, that's it.
Sir.
That's what the Chum Kiu form tells us.
Sir.
Yeah?
Sir.
Okay. Any more questions on that? So, next thing now, very important. We understood now that from the close combat situation, I want to give him a knee. You do Wing Chun? Mm-hmm. I want to give him a knee. Pom, 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 whatever comes next. Mm-hmm. Okay? So you see you're still bending.
Yeah, a little bit, sir.
Try to stand straight, okay? Mm-hmm. One leg has to be exposed. Yes, okay? I want to give you a knee. That's it, okay? So we learned from this situation here how important this is.
Sure.
Now we transfer it from that distance to that distance. And this means what? We start like this all the time because never start a fight like this if you're not well trained. If you're not well trained in Wing Chun, don't start a fight like this. I would start to do this because I'm well trained to bite him in. Because he's going to think he has a target. Thank you very much. You see that?
Sure.
Okay, I can switch angles. So I want to stand here. Now it's all about because kneeling or kneeling is something like kicking, right? Mm-hmm. So now he either wants to kick towards my head or he either wants to give me a front kick or a low kick. And we go step by step through these kicks, okay? You want to give me a high kick? Boom. Just straight out.
Yes, sir.
Or high kick. Okay?
Sure.
Now, slow motion, very slow motion. Low kick,
To the...
yes. Don't, very slow motion. Don't do this. I try to reach out for his leg. You see where I get you?
Yes, sir. Almost like up in my thigh.
Yes.
You
And
almost
that's
took it.
how I distract him a little bit. Okay?
Yes, sir.
The next thing is to the hip. I can do this with this leg or with the same leg. Slow motion?
Yes, sir.
Because I stopped because if I have, let's go with full speed. Okay, now you understand.
Yes, sir.
Slow motion. Pump. How would this feel full speed?
No leg.
Okay.
No leg.
Colliding cars.
Yes.
Off balance.
But you see, I get him. I have to, don't do this. From here, I have to go out. You see that?
Yes, sir.
And it doesn't matter what leg is doing this. I want to stop him there. Why was I shifting a little bit? Because I let him come. I do a little bit more. Now you can tell how this feels.
I can't do anything.
And the more I do it, the more it's going to hurt. Okay? If you're well trained in Wing Chun,
Sir, was that like an axe kick?
a step is a kick, and a kick is a...
Step. I've never seen that.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
That's why we have to understand when we start here and he wants to kick, pom, pom, pom. Same thing here. Same thing.
So tall the whole time too. Just so.
Okay? And you see my arms are not here.
Extend it out.
My arms are not here. My arms are where?
Extend it out.
I have to meet his troops.
You're staying connected there.
I have to meet his troops. Exactly. Thank you, John. I have to meet his troops. Whatever he likes to do with my arms.
Whoa.
Damn, right?
Oh, stupid.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Maar ik wil hem mee Plantation Florida. Come and join us.
Experience the best.